everyone, it's Andy, and today I'm going to talk through a tutorial on creating points from a table in ArcGIS Pro. We're going to convert coordinates stored in a table into points on a map to display lodging locations in one of New Zealand's national parks. The coordinates we're going to convert are stored in a CSV file that we will add to the project. The CSV currently contains our lodging locations in latitude and longitude. To display these coordinates on the map, we'll use the XY table to point tool. The tool interprets the longitude field as a source of the x coordinates and the latitude field as a source of the y coordinates. After the tool is run, we have a new feature class that has been added as a layer in our map. We're done adding points from the table, but there are a few lodging locations that were not included in our CSV. We can add them interactively using the locate tool. The location found by the tool takes us right there, and now we can create a new feature that will be added to our feature class. Now let's copy the layer from the 2D map and paste it into the 3D scene so we can further explore the park. There are some bookmarks in the project that will allow us to view the scene from a different perspective. And we can now see our points from the table or in the scene. If you'd like to give this tutorial a try, head over to the ArcGIS Pro help and follow along with more detailed steps.